Welcome 6Storage customers. Thank you for choosing 6Storage to help make your business more successful. In this demonstration, we're going to go over how to resend documents to tenants. Under the lease page, search for your tenant by name. Once we find the tenant who's requested the document, we'll click on him and go to our standard tenant information page. Under the Documents tab, we'll find his lease documents. Simply click on the document that we would like to send, and this will give us the option to send to his permanent email that's in the tenant record, or send to a different email with a one-time application, or we can use the checkbox to update his permanent record. Once the email is in, just click Send. And here's what the customer will see. He'll get the email with the attachment, and then he can open up his lease document. Similarly, from the tenant information page, we can resend a payment or an invoice in the exact same manner. Click on the send icon, use the permanent email, or update the email and make it permanent. Then just click send. The tenant will receive in their personal email a new document as an attachment. Thank you for choosing 6Storage to make your business more successful.